Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. We are here in sunny Penang and I will say it is very sunny today. It's really warm. I'm already sweating a little bit. But the first thing we are going to do today is we are going to go and find a bike to rent because we need to get around Penang. Now we are going to be doing a bit of a budget day today. We're going to be trying to keep things as cheap as they possibly can and do the free things or the cheaper things here that you can do in Penang. And first thing we need to do is find some cheap food, but we do need to find ourselves a little bike first so we can, perfect, just like this, scooter for rent. So that's what we're going to do first. We're going to rent a scooter and we're going to head out to the outside parts of town to find ourselves some breakfast. Right, okay, so we have stopped in this little botanical garden restaurant. It's quite nice. It's got a little garden here, which is pretty cool. The meal cost us 8 ringgit each, and that included a coffee. And I had eggs Benedict actually as well, so you could definitely eat a lot cheaper if you want to eat local food. But living in Malaysia, I eat local food all the time, so sometimes you want to try some home comforts. Normally I want to try home comforts these days because I've been here for a while now, so I'm used to it. But you can get a lot cheaper. 8 ringgit is still very cheap, I think, for breakfast and a coffee. But what we're going to do next is, once we've finished our food, we are going to head out and we're going to go up to Penang Hill and get the train up to the top and try and get some of these gorgeous views of Penang. So unfortunately, the queue is like hours long, and by the time we get on the train up to the top of the hill, it's going to be really late, and we don't really want to waste our whole day waiting in queues, although it would have been really good. But what we're going to do instead now is we are going to go and visit the temple. Now apparently this Buddhist temple is absolutely stunning. We have seen it already driving past, and we're really excited to go and see that. It's a shame because I would have loved to do Penang Hill, but because we're only here for a short amount of time, I don't want to spend the whole day queuing. Right, okay, so guys, we are at the Kek Lok Si Temple here in Penang. Now, this is great if you are on a budget. It does cost 16 ringgit per person to come up to the top level. Now, as you can see behind me, we've got the Pagoda bronze statue, which is the largest statue. It's a 7-story statue. It's the largest one in Malaysia. People come from the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, lots of different Buddhist countries from all over the world to come and see this temple. It is absolutely phenomenal. It's got all the different statues, and I think they are the different years. So you've got obviously the year of the tiger, the year of the dragon, you've got stuff like that. So these are all the different little statues that you see around the temple as well. It is absolutely stunning here. It is definitely something you should come and visit if you are interested in seeing some really pretty temples. But yeah, as you can see, it is absolutely striking. It is huge, and yeah, definitely something you want to come and see. We are going to head back down now though. So number 1 on the list is come and see the Kek Lok Si Temple. Right, okay, so guys, we have come to Strait Key Harbor now. Now, apparently there is a weekend market on, but we can't find it, and it's apparently really cheap to come and have a little look around. Now, to come and drink here is not actually that cheap. It is 26 ringgit just for like a pint, but we are at a Irish bar, Max. So we stopped here for a little pint. Yes, like I said before, this is all about budgeting, so it's not the cheapest place, but it is a really nice place to come and have a look around. The harbour's really, really nice. It's some nice boats. You can have a little walk around it. It's a nice place to come. If you don't want to spend any money here, just have a little look around. We have stopped for a pit stop because we are dying after walking all the way up to the top of that temple. It was very, very, very hot. And I'm actually looking for a new t-shirt, or I will be heading back to change my t-shirt because I can't bear to be around myself at the moment because it is stinking, which is gross. Thank God YouTube doesn't have a smell option. Anyway guys, we are going to have our drinks here, then we are going to head back into the centre of Georgetown and we are going to have a look for some street art. So one of the other things you can do in Penang is you can come and visit the street art. Like this one here is really, really famous. This is like sort of one of the iconic ones. All of them are quite famous for having sort of like a 3D effect where you can come and get pictures of them and it sort of looks like you're in the pictures. This is free. This is just one of the streets. You can come and check it out. Just find out, ask your taxi driver or anything and they'll bring you straight to it. There's loads of cool cafes and stuff along the street as well if you do want to get yourself run over by a bike. But if you do want to get yourself a coffee or something like that, but make sure you come and check this place out because it is free and it is really, really nice. And don't get hit by cars. Yeah guys, this is definitely a place to come and visit, not only because it's got some amazing artwork, it's also a great place to come and up your Instagram game. So if you fancy doing that, you can. Also, while you're at it, go and check me out on Instagram at Ollie Odyssey and check out some of the awesome pictures I got here. Something else you have to do when you're in Penang is try out the street food. Now we went to a place in Little India and it says it's Penang's most famous samosa. And I tell you what, it is insane. Oh, absolutely amazing. So yeah, Penang's most famous samosa, Little India. Bunch of things to do, it was only 1 ringgit 20 for one samosa. Right, okay, so guys, the last thing on my recommendation list to do in Penang is come to the beach. Now, you can do loads of cool activities here. You can go jet skiing, you can go paragliding. There's a few beach bars, you can just sit, have a little bit of food, have a few drinks. It is a really, really, really cool place to come. It's really, really, really definitely something you should come and do while you're here in Penang. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've got any more questions, make sure you hit me up on Instagram. Just ask me the questions. I normally reply to as much DMs as I possibly can. Anyway guys, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.